We're going to see closely the water cycle, okay? And so we're going to look at the arrows and just see how it kind of goes around and around. It's kind of like the life cycle, but instead of life, it's just water.
Yeah, but I think water is a living thing.
It can be, right? And water, without water, there's no life.
Yeah,
Okay.
So.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going to write down information.
All right.
In for
I-N.
And I'm going to use this page. So in F-O for N-A.
I-N-F-O-R.
I-N-F-R.
Okay, here, I'll spell it for you. I-N.
I-N-F-O-R-N-A. Nation. T-I-O-N.
Very good.
Oh, but still.
What?
You spelled it wrong 7 times.
Okay, let's begin. So, do you know what happens when it rains? Raindrops fall from clouds in the sky. Then the rainstorm passes away, but it leaves behind puddles of water on the ground. Soon, the puddles disappear too. What has happened to the water? It is gone for good. Is it gone for good? The water does not disappear. Earth's water is always being recycled. Water is continuously moving on above and below Earth's surface. This process is called the water cycle.
Yeah, so the water puddle go like flow up to make clouds.
Yeah, something like that. Alrighty. Your turn, Alita.
Right, so do you know what happens when it rains? Raindrops fall from the sky, then the rainstorm passes away, but it leaves behind puddles of water on the ground. Soon the puddle disappears too. What was happening to the water? It's gone for good. The water did not disappear. Earth water is always being recycled. Water is constantly moving on above and below Earth's surface. The program is called a water cycle. So a water cycle, right?
Yes, water cycle. So yeah, the important thing also from this page is to know that water does not disappear. Okay, so even though we can't see it anymore, and even though, you know, it rains one day and 2 days later everything is dry and we don't see any puddles anymore, that doesn't mean that water is not there anymore, right? The water's still there, but up in the clouds.
Yes, but what is, you know, a flood? The flood is going to make so many clouds. Like the end of the flood, the clouds are so poopy. It's like that.
Yeah. So, and many times when there's, you know, like a lot of like a flood, kind of like that, the flood will sometimes just move on into like a big river or an ocean or a lake.